Okay, hello everyone. So in this video we will talk about that how the change of origin and change of scale can impact. So we are copying the question from here, and here I have pasted. So in this case the question can be like that: how explain how the mean, median, mode are affected when we change the origin and scale. So in that case also we can use the random data or the data which is given to you. So here I am using the random data. So I am using the same function which we have used in the last video. So I want to generate the random data from 50 to 100. So this is the random data which I have generated. So these are the item which I have generated, but these are the random. So what we can do, we have to fix it. And how can we fix it? By using the paste special. And in case of paste special, what we have to do, we have to copy. So first of all you have to select the data which you want to fix. Then you will press Ctrl C. After pressing Ctrl C, you will move to the cell where you want to fix the data. So currently I'm in B4. Then here I'm pressing the right click. When you will press the right click, you will see that paste special comes, and you will click here paste special, and we need values only. So we will click values and press OK. So now we have the data. So I am pressing escape to remove this dash dash. So in this case now I have fixed the data. So this is my new data which we have fixed, right? So this is the data which we will use. So in this case we want to check whether this data is, how this data is affected due to the change of origin and change of scale. So change of origin, when we talk about the plus or minus. When we are saying change of scale, we are talking about the multiply and divide. So in this case we have the data. So here I'm assuming that this data is equal to x, and I want to keep x minus 20, and here I am writing that here what we are doing, I am deducting 20 here, and here I am adding 20, and then I want to divide it by 10, and here I want to multiply it by 10. So in this case what I have done, I have written is equal to whenever we want any formula. So we will start from is equal to. Here I have written is equal to, and after writing is equal to, I will select this particular cell, then minus 20, whatever number which they have given in the question, and this is what I have assumed that I want to show for the 20 plus 20 and minus 20 for change of origin. So here you can see that we got the 50, and we will click here. So you will get for all the numbers, and here what we have to do, we want the 20 plus, we want this x b4 plus 20. So we got the 90, and I will keep my cursor, and you will see that this plus sign is coming, and then I will do the double click. I will get the data, and then I want to see for the change of scale. So again I am writing is equal to, then I will select the original cell from which I want to take the data. So now B4 divided by 10. So you can see what I've got, and again I will keep my cursor here, double click, and I got the value. Then here again is equal to, the original data is B4, and I want to multiply 10 here. So you can see that we got the 700, and what I can do, I can highlight the original data here. So this is the original data, and again to get the values in the blank cell, I will go here, and at the end the cell handle, we will see that there is a plus sign, we will double click it, and we will get the value. So after getting these value, I want to see what will be the impact on mean, median, mode, and what I can do, I can copy the heading so that I can easily see that what is happening here in these cases. So I can highlight it. So here when what we can do, okay, so I'm selecting this. So what I will do, I will keep my cursor here, and by using the shift and arrow key, I will go to the home and I can change the color. So I want the orange color, I want to highlight it, that, or if you want that for different cell you can keep it the different color. So I want to see that what change we can get when there is a change of origin and change of scale. So for mean we know that the formula is average. So average, then select the original number here, the original data, bracket close, enter, and then for median it start from median only. We will select the original data without change of origin, change of scale, bracket close. Then we want to apply for mode, we will use is equal to sign and then write mode, then bracket open, select the original data and shift and arrow key, bracket close, enter. So now what we can do, we can select it and we want to apply the formula for all these cells, and now you can see that we got the value, and here in these cases you can see that average C4 to C21 it has automatically considered the same sequence because we have not fixed the cells. So in this way you will write is equal to average and then select the data where we have x minus 20, and similarly we will do for the median. We will write is equal to median and then we will select the data x minus 20, and here also in case of mode we will do the same thing, and similar thing we have done in case of the x plus 20, x divided by 20, x into 10. So what you can see, then when we have the change of origin, when we have the change of origin, I'm changing the color so that you can easily check that in case of change of origin and change of scale. So this blue is showing the change of origin, other is the change of scale. So here you can see that when we have deducted 20, all values are deducted by 20. When we have added the 20, all values is increased by 20. So it is affected due to change of origin. And if we observe the final answer related to the scale, in that case also you will find that when we have divided the value by 10, then in that case the final answer is also divided by 10. When we have multiplied by 10, in that case the final value is multiplied by 10. So this is the original information, the original data. Here is the original data. We can highlight it, that this is the yellow is showing the original data, and then you can compare it with the others. So this is the way to show the impact of change of origin and change of scale. Thank you.